All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DPRX, currently traded at $1.30 right now. Looking into the past here, let's see if I can get a better idea. All right, so we're going to be coming out here, going down to $1.09 seems to be a support level. I'm looking in to see if it's been down there before. It looks like, yeah, right around that area. $1.09 to $1.19, especially $1.19 has played a pretty big significant role in this one. This one came up on the scanner here. But look at what's going on right now. You guys came down, got underneath the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average, came up right here above the 30-day, come back down to the 10-day right here. You guys pushed right off of it nicely. Avoided gaps, actually, until right here on the 13th. Kind of pulled back down. Now you guys are below the 10-day simple moving average again. Me personally, if you guys have found this one, I would like to see a $1.27 hold. That would definitely keep a bullish signal out of this one. It hasn't had since March 4th, from what it looks like, besides the fact of getting back up. But right here, definitely going to need to hold. Coming down right now to $1.30. You guys are going to have a little bit of wiggle room for sure. Around that $1.27 is going to be a support line. So I'll go ahead and type this up and hand it off to Joe.
Hold on one sec. I was just pulling up some news. All right, so the last press release I'm seeing from these guys was on December 22nd. It was Dipexium and PLX Pharma announced merger agreement. And that was on December 22nd, 2016. I wonder if there's a timeline on it. Mergers. All right, so the merger is expected to close during the second quarter of 2017, subject to customary closing conditions. All right, so right here, I'll read the first paragraph of it. The Dipexium Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. They're traded on the NASDAQ with ticker symbol DPRX, and PLX Pharma Incorporated. PLX Pharma is a privately held late-stage specialty pharmaceutical company. Announced on December 22nd that they have entered into a definitive agreement under PLX Pharma will merge with a wholly owned subsidiary of Dipexium in an all-stock transaction. Following closing, Dipexium will be renamed PLX Pharma Incorporated and will operate under the leadership of PLX management team, with Michael Valentino serving as executive chairman of the company's board of directors and Natasha Giordano serving as president and chief executive officer. And then I kind of scrolled down really quick, and it was basically stating that it's going to take place, or is expected to take place at this end of middle half of the second quarter. All right, I'll pull up some filings too, see if there's anything on that. March 20th is in effect. See. What's the effectiveness? There's nothing here though. All right. All right, so they had the proposed merger right here, and that was from, it's a 424B3, and it's the proposed merger. It's from March 17th. It was, your vote is very important to the stockholders of Dipexium Pharmaceuticals and PLX Pharma Incorporated. And it's talking about the agreement at the time of effectiveness. See if they voted on it yet. Yeah, there's a lot more information in this. This one thing from the 17th. So this is something I probably recommend you guys going and reading because it's thorough. It has a lot more information within it. So go right over to that DPRX board. Right over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll be able to see the financials and everything else. And if you have an opinion on the company, just go right over onto that message board over there we have with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors, and feel free to share your opinion.
All right, with the chart $1.30, watch for the $1.27 to hold, which is going to be the 10 and 20 and 30 days simple moving average. To hold with resistance at $1.32 and $1.40. Support at $1.27, $1.19, and $0.09. Again, I like the way that it's been shaping up. Keep an eye on it for sure. You guys start coming down to that bottom down here around that $1.10 area. Actually, not as $0.09, but $1.10. You guys came down to it, bouncing really nice off of that. So definitely keep an eye on it. I like the way that it's been around. Keep an eye on that volume and that level to hold. Again, DPRX. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.